Hello, boys. I just feel like the May is fucking us so hard. We need to do another redo, and today we are fully backtest this May, and let's see if we can win some trades. So right now we just gotta open up the checklist and let's figure out. I may remember all the days, but you never know. You never know. Okay. This is the day I think I don't remember. Well, okay. So what we did is manipulate here. Now we're going lower. Now we manipulate it again and go lower. Rebalance into CB displays. Take the low. Rebalance. Now we took this low and we're in this. So now we are in a bearish continuation, right? But mm, yeah, this is just bearish structure. So if you get market structure shift, so there is the I mean, is there market structure shift right here? Rebalance displacement. Yeah, I remember this day. I mean, it will go there and even higher, I think. So again, I just want to clarify what is happening here. So we are in bearish continuation right here after sweeping this external low high, and now these are clear entries, clean entries right there. Entry here, entry here. No, because no displacement. So we sweep the big low. Now here, the entry here, disrespecting this rebalance. This is some kind of rebalance this week, and now that's pretty logical. Because here there is the market structure shift. We have the low manipulated, go higher, swept the high, rebalanced, and displaced higher. Okay. So after this, I want to see some characteristics of bearish continuation after we swept the external high. Still have this. We have market structure shift right here. Now we're in pretty bearish continuation, slowly but steady. Let's see what happens on the market. Okay, well, what we did now. Basically, we set external high, started displacing lower. 913 opens, manipulates the internal highs, then displays lower. And now in this order block, and the fact that we are displacing higher from 830, maybe, I mean, overall narrative is pretty bullish. Mm. And there's the external high swept, so mhm. Still respect this bullish PDRA. On 5 minute it doesn't look so clear, so we still respect it. Here the just looks like we don't have market structure shift, and it looks like we kind of like look bearish, but we do respect this. So we had this huge deep, I mean huge, we had this deep rebalance, and now we're just placing higher, so this may be a tell to long here. Maybe we could take out this. Okay. Okay, so the thing is, so now, like from the 830, we need to say something about 930, because this is why I lost, I think. So I manipulated and immediately reversed this, but we stopped here on this order block. We never really displaced above, so that could be a tell right here or here to go lower, and we may go lower maybe. Yeah, except this. Okay, this is none. Okay, so on the first day, it's second. I might just write this down, because I've lost because of see what happens here. I mean, now we could go higher, but for the shorts, for the shorter like trades, just gotta have the like the picture in depth. And I don't see I have it, because overall we look bullish, right? Because this place we are bullish from the open, but even though we externally manipulated, mm, I mean, let's see what we do. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter actually. We should focus on this, because this is where I trade. So we rebalance into this, and we still respect this. This huge displacement could be a tell. This is just rebalance, but well, I don't know. Why do I lose? Maybe this will tell me something. So there is the manipulation. So let's think of it like in like paper. paper. So for bullish, we have the internal manipulation, rebalance into a PD array, and some kind of displacement. These three candles could work as a displacement. Maybe no, but like we rebalance and close like here, and the wick was left in the back. But the displacement here, rebalance here, and maybe this isn't a displacement. But yeah, we have this respecting the confluences right here. And displacement, maybe 6 points isn't so clear. But for bearish, you can actually say a bit more. So from the 911, we started to go lower, and we rebalance into this speed array to respect it, and now it displaced lower. And this displacement candle is quite huge, and this could be a tell, even though we didn't disrespect anything right there. Because I mean this, I mean, so yeah, this is a bullish manipulation right here, internal even, and displacement, rebalance, no displacement because we need to know what the sequence is right now because we could talk about like bullish, bearish, but after all, I need to be accurate about my entries. So why did my longs didn't work out? This is very important. I may just make a screenshot and ask the boys because I'm not really sure. Okay, I mean, we are making bearish structure, but fucking hell, bro. Maybe because this move doesn't really guarantee the draws, or the highs or lows. It just makes this is just going lower, going lower. We didn't really made bearish manipulation. We only made the external one, and like we stopped here. Why did we stop here? Because there is maybe this order block which protects the everything. But this candle looks like ass, bro. Looks like fucking bullish. Just need to maybe take it as like psychological thing. Maybe this is what the market wants us to think. I mean, kinda makes sense, right? Means we stop nowhere. I know. Nothing is guaranteed though. I mean, yeah. So you manipulated there and displaced lower. Why the fuck would we do that? Maybe to sweep this. So we swap this and displace higher. So why is this thought process not valid, bro? See what ES does. ES is a fucking support and resistance fucking thing. Fucking stupidity, bro. Hmm. What should I? What have I? I mean, isn't this pet pattern trading? I'm I'm just doing everything from this respect and displacement. This shouldn't be how I do it. We just gotta see the picture um, outside whole trade because yeah, I don't know. Okay, well, I think there's something wrong with my thought process. Maybe there were no market structure shift. Well, mm, I mean, there. If we're bullish, actually have to maybe take this high because this is the maybe the last hope. I would say. Why? Because there's this confluence holding everything up before going lower. Okay, 9:45. No trade. Okay, so we are going lower. This is what is happening. We are very slowing down. Um, okay, guys, let let us think. So there's I always mark this. And let's see what is wrong with my thought process. Or maybe I won today. This day, I don't know. So we okay. So for sure I can say we look kinda bearish from this point. And after going here, internally manipulation Uh, Internal manipulation, immediate displacement. So we are going higher, 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 and we now chop and displace higher to take these highs. And it looks like we okay, okay. 'Cause I don't really remember which way the price goes actually, which is good. Um, so we made a manipulation, okay, and we respect this PD array and displace lower. And we still have this, so um, I'm not quite sure what to think right now because from 8:30 we're going higher and higher, but we still have this. But does it actually matter? I mean, so what I would need to validate the shorts right now. I mean, the entry here. I mean, I don't know. It doesn't suit with my checklist, so. Let me think. So the okay, so I remember now we're going to get lower, but why? Because this rebalance isn't so valid. We didn't fee up this, so the entry should be like that. The stop loss should be on fucking 50 something points. So this is not optimal for me. So I'm not taking this. I know I would have won, but now let's see. So we chop here, we go here, back and forth. 5 minutes, it looks like we just wanted to sweep all these manipulation there. Displace lower after internally even more. Um, it looks like some kind of like low resistance liquidity maybe. Maybe I would have sell if like I was on MNQ, but my stop loss should have been there, 60 points, right? Okay, so again, this is the Asia. Okay, I always mark. So now what's wrong? Um, Asia open. We never sweep any draw. We are closer to this draw. Feel like we're going to take this. Um, okay, 9:30 opens. Okay, so we have more bearish narrative than bullish. There's the manipulation. We respect the speed array. That looks pretty clean. We internally manipulate here. and the order block here. Let's see, we display slower. So now we have the narrative. Maybe want to, yeah, okay. Well, this looks very bearish. I mean, even this almost gets respected by this. I mean, of course we closed there, but this is shit candle, and we even manipulated this low, these highs, respecting this. Um, let's see if we, okay, so we don't displace lower. Okay, this is very strange. Candle closure sets up the order block again. Okay, this doesn't look um, very bearish. So we could target maybe this. But this candle flip and this candle flipped, so I don't know. This feels really strange. Uh, okay, so we are closer to this draw than this higher. Now, what the 930 shows, 'cause this is very important. Again, we have the cabinets and painting right here. Okay, maybe not because there is no displacement. Uh, still in this range. This tells me we could be more bearish because why the fuck? We just disrespected the 50. Created the. This is perfect here. Now, mm, so we went to the 50% of this on ES already. And respect this PDRI. We went there already on ES. I don't know if it matters, but I just observe things. Now we internally manipulated. Let's see. Okay, this is a tell for me. Okay, well, this is very good. This is very good. I like it. Let's see if you get the draw. No. We tapped into 50. Okay. And what happens now? Okay, it chops. And now breakthrough. Okay. 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 Okay, now just how the candle flips. I'm thinking of maybe going here. Uh, okay, well, there's the SMT. Respect something here. I didn't see, but wait, let me. Let's see. Okay, respective 5 minutes. Then we went lower, lower. This is just straight up bearish. Let's see if we fill this gap. This could be our target. Uh, okay, well, so we manipulated, and we don't have manipulation here, but do we need one? This is a low probable day. Okay, so we break through this, and we now rebalance. Where did we go? So we didn't manipulate there. Still we placed higher. There's some loss manipulated. Phew. Phew. Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, I could maybe short here, because we could take this draw. Okay. Well, I'm. I don't know. Hmm. Okay. Maybe I should maybe talk to myself more. So 9:30 opens. After we manipulated, they are respecting this. This place lower. Take this draw. Okay. So there's the sequence. We going lower. Looks like we entered this. Immediately respected this. We displaced above this. Okay, this is good. Bam bam bam. Dun, dun. Okay, so what is wrong? Mm. Okay. Oh, the 10 a.m. But yeah, so we eventually get there. Hmm. Yeah, the rebalance it to the order block. Stop loss below, above, not it's just how it has to be. I already hate this day because we have these weeks. Manipulation. This is us, bro. Close there. Started to make bullish structure. Um, okay. So I just got faked out. Um, okay, okay. I'm a bit um pissed right now. I think I need to work on my technicals right now. So I may just uh end the video and watch some lectures on the big boy Salman because this the guy inspired I got the inspiration of model. I think I like so much things and going on the charts doesn't really help me, I think, because I don't know where I make the mistakes. There's the point. If I can't, I don't know what mistakes I'm making. Okay, I just gotta maybe go back to the roots, right? Go back to the roots. So yeah, this is it for me today. Again, it's going really bad this May, but see you guys in next video, of course.